Hi guys, so this video is on the BMW E46, changing the air filter. So we're going to remove the engine covers. We've got the cap heads, need a 5mm socket, you got 3 at the front and then 2 at the back. So I'm going to take those out and then obviously remove the front air intake, literally just lift this back and then just do the little switch on the side, push it, and that comes out. And then I'll show you the next stage. So with those 2 items removed, we can now start on the next part, where you got another 3 cap heads just on this side cover to remove that, and then we're going to remove the pollen tray at the back. And I'll show you how to do that, because you have to remove that to get access to the cap heads 2 at the back. So with the bolts now removed, you can just lift up this cabling that goes across the front of the tray, both sides. Lift that up, now you can remove your tray. Pull that to the side, and now you can get access to your cap heads. So you've got one at the top there, see it with the lighting, and then there's one, you can feel it with your fingers, right down the back. Can you see it? You can just see it. So the front cover's removed. You can see I've already changed my air filter, but just to show you, this is where the flex tool come in useful to get to that cap head down the back. So obviously once you remove that, and then these across the top, remove your oil cap, and then you can literally just slide out this plastic cover to get access to your air filter. Okay, so then get your tray, just put that back in place so it all lines up. Get your rubbers so they're sitting all correctly. You can then clip in your piping. It just literally just sits in there in a little groove. Lift that up, keeps that little bit raised above everything. So with your Torx screws back in place and your tray nice and secure, you can now put in your pollen filter. Get that back in position, and then obviously your top cover, which goes underneath, goes in there, and then just twist in your little pop rivets, and that's back in place. So when you're putting your air intake pipe back in, obviously just make sure that clicks into the little bit there, and then the front you've got these 2 little scoops, just see them there, one each side. There's the other one, there you go, see it there. So make sure that scoops underneath the front part of the frame of the car. So yeah, once that's clicked into place, just get the front, so it's creating another tight seal on the front there, sits over all nice, and obviously don't forget your clips. Got to replace one of mine now, and then the other one that side just pushes into place. So there we have all the covers back in place after fitting the air filter. So thanks for watching.